Good morning, students. Myself, Suresh Babu MG, here with one more recording and presentation of the video lecture to all of you, so that you are provided an opportunity to learn even outside the classroom. And let me continue with the illustration, which is the branch account, right? Yeah, you could see, right? Almost all the sums I have explained. It is your duty to go through. Please refer. Some value addition has to happen immediately. You need to, after the completion of watching. While watching, I've been saying that have the pen and paper with you, make the notes, right? Repeat, revise. If you don't revise, it is not possible to actually keep it in the memory, understand, okay? So illustration number 11, as we were dealing with, okay? The closing debtors is not given. Now you see that the sum is being based on invoice price. So invoice price, so I've already told you that invoice price normally, if it is the profit, if it is given on sales price, right, or invoice price, you will not change, because in the sum, the price mentioned is, okay, invoice. That is sales price itself. So hence, you will not be changing. If the profit is given on cost, only then it is changed. See, Shining Shoe stores invoices goods to its Chennai branch at 20% profit on sales price. So here, 20% profit on sales refers to they have given you profit on invoice price only. 20% if they are saying, you need to calculate 20% of opening stock as stock reserve, 20% only as the goods sent to branch. That is the stock reserve again. That is the profit. Don't change it. Okay. In the previous sum, 25% on cost was given. Now, then we changed it to 20% on invoice price. But here, 20% on sales price is given. Don't change it. No need conversion. The branch sends cash daily to the head office, and all expenses are paid by the head office except for petty expenses which are made by the branch manager. From the following particulars, prepare the branch account with the necessary workings in the books of Shining Shoe. Yes. So opening stock, this is invoice price 15,000. So 15,000 into 20% is 3,000. So to be credited, this is to be debited. Opening debtors 9,000, opening cash 400, furniture 1,200. Okay. Goods received from head office, invoice price, see, invoice price 80,000. Goods returned, invoice price 1,000. Write 80,000 inner column, like minus 1,000 inner column, 79,000 net goods sent. So on the opposite side, credit side, by goods sent to branch. So right bracket profit 79,000 into 20 by 100. Okay. So goods returned by debtors, it is very important, 480. It is to be recorded in the debtors account, memorandum debtors. Cash received from debtors, 30,000. So it is to be recorded both in branch account as well as memorandum debtors. Cash sales 50,000 and total sales is 80,000. So what is the difference? Difference is 30,000 is credit sales. Correct. Total sales 80, cash sales is 50, difference is 30,000. Why? This is a hint for the preparation of memorandum debtors account. Discount allowed 300 rupees, expenses filed by the branch, rent, salary, stationery, and petty expenses. So in total 1,200, 2,400, 300, 280. So correct. So closing stock invoice price. So that is 14,000 rupees. Then depreciation on furniture 10% per annum. Very simple sum. So you need to prepare total debtors account. Why? Because closing debtors is not given. It is missing information. So to balance brought down, by balance carried down. Opening balance 9,000. You know that. Credit sales I have already explained you. 80,000 minus 50,000, 30,000. By bank account, that is cash received from debtor 30,000. Sales returns 480 rupees. Discount allowed 300 rupees. So from 39,000, if you subtract, we are getting 8,220 is what? Closing balance of debtor. Don't forget this. Then in the books of Shining Shoe Company head office, branch account, right? Chennai branch account, 31st March 2015. So first you would write opening stock 15,000. This is invoice price, IP. Okay. IP. So on the credit side, you check there is stock reserve. See, stock reserve. Don't forget, this could be written afterwards as well. But see, this 15,000 into 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 20%. Why it is not converted? Because itself is invoice price. Percentage of profit is given on invoice price only. So 20% only you take 3,000. Okay. Now see, opening debtors 9,000. Cash at opening cash 4,400. Opening furniture 1,200. These are opening assets. No opening liabilities. Now goods sent 80,000. Returns 1,000. 79,000. Even this 79,000 here, see, there is stock reserve, there is a profit. 79,000 into 1 by 5, 15,800. So expenses sent to the branch, to bank account, rent, salary, stationery. Okay. So even there is petty cash. Okay. 1,200, 2,400, 300, total 3,900 rupees. Okay. So there is cash sales and cash received from debtors, correct? Bank account debtor to branch account 50, 30, total 80,000. Now stock, that is closing stock 14,000 rupees. It is also invoice price, correct? Invoice price. On debit side, you check there is stock reserve, that is profit into 1 by 5 means 20%, 2,800. Now petty cash, what happens here? Petty cash, see, petty cash, how much is sending? 400 rupees initially. How much is the expenses? See, petty expenses paid by branch. Okay, 280 rupees. So subtract it. That is expenditure have been done. So 400 minus 280 is 120 is the balance in there. Furniture, you know, opening balance 1,200 minus 120. That is 10% depreciation, 1,080. So here data has to be written, right? So debtors how much? Closing debtors 8,220. Now you balance it. 1,22,220, 1,22,220, 1,22,220. The profit is 10,900. Please cross-check this profit once again. What is the difference here? Opening stock, there was profit, which was subtracted by writing on the opposite side. That is stock reserve, right? Goods sent to branch, that is net goods sent. There is stock reserve opposite side. Then there is closing stock. On debit side, there is stock reserve. Stock reserve means profit included in the goods sent by which one? Head office to the branch. I'm running through because why I'm not explaining slowly? Because you have already exposed many times. I've said it. Correct. That's the reason why. So let us complete one more. Yes, a shoe company of Kanpur has its branch at Delhi. Goods are invoiced to the branch at cost plus 25%. Understood? Previous sum, previous to previous, and this one and the same. See, cost plus 25% means we have to calculate on invoice 20%. Very simple. I don't want to further proceed and extend it. Branch has been instructed to deposit daily cash to the head office, except petty expenses which were paid by the branch manager from petty amount sent by the head office from time to time. The following particulars prepare Delhi branch account in the head office of Kanpur. Okay. Opening stock, see, at invoice price, 30,000. 30,000 into 20% you do it on the credit side, stock reserve, correct? Why 20%? Because in the sum they said cost plus 25%, we need to convert it into, okay? So that is the profit on the sales price or invoice price. That is the reason why 1 by 4 they have given. We need to calculate 1 by 5th. Okay. Opening sundry debtors 18,000, opening cash 800, office furniture 2,400, goods invoice 1,60,000, goods returned 2,000, cash received 60,000, credit sales, okay, that is 1 lakh rupee. So this is cash sales. Sorry, it is not credit, it is cash sales. See, it is being recorded. Please change this. So difference is how much? Cash sales 1 lakh. Okay, we'll just check it. Discount allowed to debtors 600 rupees. Goods returned by debtors 960. Expenses paid 2,400 and 7,800. Expenses, petty expenses 560. Depreciation 10% per annum. This means you see 11th one, whatever it is written, cash sales, total sales. So here, so cash sales, how much previous sum? Cash sales 50,000, total sales 1,60,000. Here he has changed. Yeah, same. Here there is change, correct? We'll just check it. What has happened? Okay. This problem, closing value of stock, debtors, petty cash, furniture has not been given, so that they should be found out as follows. Okay now? So here openings are given. Closing is not given. We need to find out. So how to find out? We'll just check it. Yeah. The calculations are very critical here. It's very, very important. You need to revise over and over, right? So first working note we shall go. Opening stock 30,000. You note it. Plus goods sent to branch 1,60,000 minus 2,000 because this is returns. You get 1,58,000. So total 1,88,000 plus cash sales 1 lakh. However, he has given, okay, it is not cash, it is not credit sales, cash sales. So that is 88,000 less credit sales 60,000 minus 960. Why 60,000? These goods were sold to debtors on credit and 960 rupees worth of goods they returned. So now you get 59,040. So closing stock is 28,960. So please revise once again, then only then you will understand. Closing petty cash simply 800. Petty expenses minus 560. Balance is 240. Then calculation of closing value of furniture 2,400, 240, 2,160. Calculation of closing debtors because missing information. To balance brought down 18,000, by balance carried down. This is a balancing figure. So credit sales 60,000 rupees. You know that, right? By bank account 60,000, by discount 600, by sales returns 960. Balancing figure is 16,440. So in the books of Kanpur head office, Delhi branch account. Opening stock 30,000, opening debtors 18,000, opening petty cash 800, opening furniture 2,400, 1,60,000 minus 2,000, 1,58,000 net goods sent. Okay. On the credit side, you check last one by goods sent to branch, that is 1,58,000. How much? 1/5. How much they have given? 1/4 because it is cost. Now it is sales price. That is invoice price. 31,600 is what? Profit. Profit included in what? Goods sent to branch. Similarly, expenses. So that is 7,800, right? Then on the credit side, by bank account, cash sales receipts from debtors, 1,60,000. Closing stock, 28,960 calculated. Closing debtors, 16,440. Closing cash, 240. So closing furniture, 2,160. Correct now? In the closing stock, there is profit. It is being debited here to stock reserve. 28,960 into 1/5 or 20%. So both are 5,792. So opening stock 30,000 into 1/5, that is stock reserve 6,000, right? Now you to get the total 2,45,400. Please check it once again, all the totals, and 22,608 is the profit at the branch. So branch stock account is prepared to find closing stock, and branch debtors is open to find out closing debtors. So thank you so much. So I'm running out. Why? Because we can't spend so much of time repeating slowly. So it is an opportunity for you to revise once again, replay and see, learn all the very best. Thank you. And don't forget to watch complete video. This is the video length of 16 minutes. Everybody to watch. Please send your feedback and comment, put your comment on the YouTube as well. Okay. Thank you so much. Share it to all your friends who are actually needed. This is Suresh Babu MG from Government Facility College, Gauri Vidyanabad.